You should team up with ImDevin. He's been getting bigger on his Road to Diamond series where he plays with people like Svenza Keo. You have a similar sub count, and it would be cool to see a collab. Everyone keeps saying that. Was it you? Have you mentioned that multiple times, dude? I'm not upset if you have. I'm just curious. A lot of people want me to team up with ImDevin. I don't even know who he is. Oh, this guy's bigger than me. He's teaming up with Keo. He's good at the game. This is what I hate. Everyone's fucking good at the game, dude. I think. I don't know. The gold experience. It looks like he's smurfing. Why do people like ImDevin? I don't mean that in a demeaning way. I mean that in a I've never seen him before way. So I'm curious. Valorant custom games gone wrong. Where did his videos start popping off? 12K. How to raise. How to cipher. Okay, so like basic character guys. Okay, those are doing pretty good. The ultimate tier list. How to Sova. This is like a series that did pretty well, right? And then it looks like he got some subscribers from that. The Iron Experience. This video popped off.
What kind of fucking door is that? Yo, there's a fucking doorknob on the side right here. Why the?
This is a good point.
What the fuck is that there? That is one ugly fucking door. Holy shit. Right? Experience. Today, I'm going to be taking you through supposed elo hell, the lowest of the low in terms of rank. Yeah, that's right, motherfucker. Today, I'm taking you on a journey through Iron. All right, hold the fuck up. Let's take a look at these goddamn graphs. If we take a look here, Diamond is easy to get into and Iron is not. And we know this based on the percentage of players in them. There's a much lower percentage of players in Iron 1, 2, and 3 than all of Diamond 1. Meaning, Diamond is easy,
Twitter.
Iron is hard. And from this data,
I want to be friends with you.
These are facts. Anyways, let's continue the video. Now, Iron is just like the rest of the ranks, but it's extremely special because Iron is the most unpredictable rank. You don't know what the fuck is going to happen. You don't know if your team is going to be filled with smurfs or actual brain dead motherfuckers. See, people in Iron have a false belief that they are better than they truly are because, and I quote, all of my teammates are trash. Get these garbage cans out this bitch. Holy fuck, I can't win a game. All these motherfuckers are making me lose.
Here's the problem. All of your teammates are trash, but then all the enemies are insane. And it's like, why can't I get these guys? You know, how come they get the smurfs? And I always get these motherfuckers who are just like chilling here. First game they've ever played ever. They like literally came over from Animal Crossings from Nintendo Switch. And now they're playing on Valorant and they have no idea what they're fucking doing. I don't know why they picked Valorant of all games. Like you think that they pick like freaking what's the other game? Stardew Valley. But no, they segue over to Valorant after playing on their Nintendo Switch. It's like, what the fuck?
True about every rank, let's be real here. But the real question
happens at Plat, too.
Like? Well, do you want to have your entire team run around the map with only shorties? Well, you can in Iron. They can't stop us all. Do you want to listen to people talk about how much their teammates suck? Well, you can in Iron.
B. Fuck the Sage. You killed me one time. I kill her 20 times.
Why so angry?
I lost my rank because of irons.
Do you want to watch people make plays?
Okay, so we're talking about elo hell right now. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If you're stuck in Iron, it's probably something that you're doing. That's okay. That's awesome because if it's something that you're doing, that means that you can get out of it. I wanted to throw that out there. If you're blaming other people for keeping you in Iron, there's probably something else going on.
Cause your brain cells to off themselves. Well, you can in Iron. Fucking Flash.
He's shooting at Steven.
No. Honestly, when you're in Iron, you're not gonna know where the fuck you are at any given time. What the fuck is going on? What the actual fuck is going on? I don't really know where I am.
What is he doing?
It's really a rank that is truly built different. Anyways, now that I've explained a little bit about Iron, let's get right into some epic games. The Muffin Man.
Oh, he sounds cool. He sounds like
you got muffins?
No, I can't.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Why did you name yourself the Muffin Man if you don't have any goddamn muffins? Dude, you're fucking capping.
He's just searching for them. He's searching for the muffins.
I don't have any because I am.
No, it doesn't work like that. You distribute muffins. Okay. If you name yourself the Muffin
Devin, don't give him his life goal. He's searching for the muffins. He's not distributing. No, Devin.
Fuck you.
Devin, chill.
Right here. We're gonna.
You guys want me to play with this guy?
5 of us, okay? Just all of us running up mid, push onto the site, get the bomb down, and we're gonna win the fucking round. I guarantee it. Well, fuck.
Outplayed. Capture your best gaming moments. Let's say you had an awesome play.
No.
Hey, Phoenix. Hey, Phoenix.
I love stupid jokes like that. Just like, hey, just hey,
no,
like, oh man, that's shit for me. You're good, Kelly.
If you don't drop it,
I do understand the react meme though. No, I got you.
Kill him.
Kill him.
Fucking kill him. Kill him. You know, the plan actually almost fucking worked.
It did.
They didn't even bother shooting the Phoenix. They just went straight to the body.
How the fuck did she not die? Well, Devin, if you look here, you stupid motherfucker, you actually only threw 2 fucking knives, meaning you did 100 damage. You absolute dumbass. Let me defuse. Let me defuse.
Muffin Man, clutch that. Muffin Man,
Let me
finish
defuse.
the defuse.
Wait, let me defuse.
If he lets this blow up. He's a slave to the content, guys. He's a slave to the content. He just is. He has to. You guys think I could actually climb with this guy? I don't know. Seems like he hard throws. I'm just saying. King, you should play with him.
God damn it.
I pushed out a kidney stone before this game.
What the fuck? Y'all need to drink some goddamn water.
What is that name? Dude, I want the Muffin Man back.
Look at this.
Alright, I'm watching. What?
Nice.
You got black. I got white.
What you want?
Have you ever looked at the control panel of this box?
No? Let me see.
Like the far on AC.
Hold on. Let me go check it out.
The smokes are
That's
coming
so
down.
cool.
Oh no, he's getting pushed.
Oh, fuck.
Departures?
And arrivals. Oh.
Dude, being in trains.
Dude, I want to be an iron. I want to get out of whatever elo I'm in where I just get angry and like the game makes sense and everyone's trying to do the most logical play. I want to go to iron where we just stare at the departures board and talk about where the most exciting place would be to go. You know,
Wait.
look at all these places that were
Oh,
canceled.
shit.
They would probably all be
No.
canceled for COVID nowadays, but I wonder if they've updated their
I gotta
charts.
catch the flight to Hiroshima.
Wait, Hiroshima exists.
Wait, why does Hiroshima exist?
Bro, Hiroshima exists.
Have they rebuilt it? What?
Dude, you're
Wait, does
so
Hiroshima
fuck-
still exist? Like, I feel like that would be uninhabitable, right? Uninhabitable. I imagine. Yeah, I don't think you could live there. I don't know how many years it takes for that, like, to like the fallout to like they rebuilt it really quickly. Is that what isn't there like fallout and shit? Like, isn't that a bad idea? Modern day. Am I being trolled? Okay. Disappeared quickly. You good? What the fuck? This is very common logic, right? If a place gets fucking nuked, you think that there would be nuclear fallout that would prevent rebuilding there for probably a while. Like, don't hit me with the question mark, you good. That logic is sound. The logic is sound. It's propaganda, you sheep. What, that they got fucking nuked? What do you mean is that propaganda? I hate you. The nuke was fake. Okay, heard. That logic is sound. I will not be scolded for this.
Fucking
Oh shit.
Gone.
What's in there, dude?
Yo,
Hey,
Shark
yo.
Tank.
yo,
Shark Tank.
yo, it's the show. It's the show. You know where the fucking people go with the investments. Hey, yo, let's go
Imagine
to
if they
Shark
tried a
Tank,
train
bro.
that
Let's
led
hit
to
it.
their place.
Wait, are these movies?
They're on A, bro. Go to the other side.
Dude, I'm trying to catch a goddamn movie. We
Dude,
can catch it.
Hiroshima leaves in 5 minutes.
Oh, we
catch
gotta
the train.
fucking go to Hiroshima, bro.
Gonna
Can
check
you
it.
tell me why the fuck the doors in Valorant are so goddamn skinny? Why the fuck are these doors so skinny? Like, you can't even
And
fit in there.
and who the fuck goes to open a door with their left hand? You open the shit, it opens into you.
No, it's in Japan, so it's reversed.
This is some shit quality.
Is it reversed? Because they drive on the left side of the road. Do they open doors with their left hand? I think they drive on the left side of the road. They do in the UK. False. Okay. Their doors go into the walls. I guess if you opened it, it would go in.
What?
This is some shit quality. You can just dent the fuck out
This
of
is
this thing.
some bad metal, dude. Who did the metal job here?
That's a good point.
Who the fuck?
Like, all
did
over the map,
metal
you could
job?
just
This
leave
is
like
some
scratch marks
bad
like everywhere you go.
quality metal.
You're just like swinging your knife like a little bit.
Health violation.
Exactly. This is some bad fucking metal, man. All right, let's kill them all. Let's go. We're gonna kill them all. I got him. This is an example of a well-made door. Like, this is a good door. How the fuck do you open this one? No, dude, look at
Look
this.
how low
They're
that is.
uneven.
It's made for, like,
I have a
toddlers.
big fucking issue.
He said it's
with the
uneven,
doors
it's just
in
made for
Valorant.
toddlers.
Look at
Like, what the
these
fuck?
fucking handles. They are not even like symmetrical. Those are.
I like how he has a problem with the symmetry, but he doesn't care about the fact that it's literally at ankle level, like these doors,
not
these door
symmetrical.
handles.
And then come here. Then we go over to this fucking door.
How
Dude,
about this?
how can someone fit into this shit? No one can fit into this goddamn door.
I feel like it's for like
stand in front.
electrical. area.
Oh,
Yeah.
she could fit.
Or
but look
something.
at Phoenix. Stand in front of
Her
the door.
legs, dude. Her
Stand in
legs.
front of the door.
What's the problem with that one?
Crack are you?
No.
I gotta ask Frisk about these things, dude. I don't know if she made the design for Split. What's up with the doors? We gotta hit her up. Be like, hey, we got some questions.
Place?
No.
Yeah, you did. You're Iron 1, bro.
Oh, Iron
Let's
1, bro.
go. Let's go.
That's the experience.
Interrogate her.
right there.
And that's about it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, smash like. If you aren't subbed, sub. If you want, I mean, hey, I don't control you, but hey, my Twitch is in the bio. I stream every other day, and same with the Discord. It's down there in the bio.
What are the odds do you think he's streaming
What
right
keep saying
now?
that?
I
And
don't
that's
think he
about-
is. I think I went to his Twitch just a second ago. Yeah, it doesn't look like he's streaming, dude. I think he has more followers than me, dude. This guy's more popular than me now. Wait, he's hosting Sven's. Okay. Well, we'll follow him. Sven's just got he lost the game. That's disappointing. But this is my very active Twitter. You click on it, it does. Hola, I'm Devin. Wait. I wonder if Devin I am. I wonder if he just hasn't linked it again. Devin, what are you doing? Devin, link your fucking Twitter, dude. This is how companies feel when you don't put your email in your bio. Which he also does not have in his bio. Okay. We are now following Devin's Twitter. We're following him on YouTube. Maybe I'll shoot him a message, ask him to play. Okay.